The COVID-19 outbreak has impacted economic activities, which leads to the closure of SMEs businesses in Malaysia. In accordance with the statistics, around 75% of businesses that don't have continuity strategies will be on the blink within 3 years. Apparently, after several months of movement control order, the government allowed all the SMEs to resume their operations. However, something has caught our attention, which are the table that use and the strings or tapes that are attached to the pole canopy. Several questions were asked to the hawkers, and most of them told us that it's extremely difficult for them to assemble the night market table because the stands as well as the surface of the table are not attached together. Plus, the practice of social distancing is difficult to apply because the stalls only use strings or tapes to enforce the rules. So, we came up with an idea to produce a product that can solve their problems. We created a smart flipping table.
Smart flipping table is complete with all the essentials that are needed, especially by the SMEs. The smart flipping table was designed for easy to carry as it built with a handle. The surface of the table can be flipped open as well as the legs. The function of the flip is to make sure the user does not face any difficulties whenever they want to fold it and unfold the table. The legs of the smart flipping table can also be extended and unextended. It is also equipped with the lock of the legs so that the legs of the smart flipping table cannot move around and static at one place. To make the larger surface area of the table, the right and the left side of the table can be extended. The highlight of this smart flipping table is the implementation of social distancing detector using PIR motion sensor to detect motions within 1 meter. This smart flipping table is easy to store as it fits inside a compact car, and most importantly, our product was not designed exclusively for the hawkers but also suitable for the public to be used at outdoor activities. Our main processes to fabricate our smart flipping table are laser beam cutting to cut the plywood. Secondly, TIG welding was used to attach the stands of the product. Next, we use meter saw to cut the hollow metals into the desired sizes for the product.
Okay, next is about the analysis of the product. In this analysis, we will do the testing on the table, which we put on the load on it. So in this case, we are putting this chair, which is the office chair, as the load acting on it. So this chair is approximately 30 kilos, which is very heavy. But after we put it, it still stays true on its shape. So if the table can withstand 30 kilo of the chair, which means it can also withstand the water container, which is approximately about 40 kilo. So if the water container it can withstand, so maybe the other thing can also, which is the clothes or maybe the food container. So why not we buy it? So this is a group product. So that is all from us. Thank you.